What's the most powerful thing missing from your backyard? No, it's not a pool or fancy furniture. How about a pharmacy? Yes, you heard that right. Imagine stepping out into your backyard and having nature's most powerful remedies right at your fingertips. Today, I'm going to show you how the Medicinal Garden Kit can turn your backyard into a wellness powerhouse. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. And stick around till the end because we've got some exciting bonus gifts and very important alerts you definitely don't want to miss. So, let's jump right in. Now, you might be thinking, who came up with this brilliant idea? Let me introduce you to Nicole Apelian. She's not just an herbalist, but also a mother, a survival skills instructor, and a biologist with a degree from McGill University. Her story takes a unique turn when she learned herbal medicine from the San Bushmen in the Kalahari Desert. Talk about learning from the experts. Pro tip, always trust someone who's learned from the San Bushmen. They literally wrote the book on natural remedies. But Nicole's journey became deeply personal when, at 29, she was diagnosed with multiple sclerosis, a painful, incurable autoimmune disease. Western medicine wasn't giving her the relief she needed, so she turned to nature, literally to her own backyard. And guess what? She's been managing her MS naturally for over 20 years. In fact, she even survived 57 days alone in the wild on the History Channel's survival show. Now that's impressive. Nicole has now created the Medicinal Garden Kit, so that you can have the same healing power in your own backyard. With this kit, you'll get seeds for 10 medicinal plants that can help you manage everything from pain to digestion. Basically, your own mini pharmacy right at home. Want a sneak peek into the incredible plants you'll be growing? I thought so. Let me introduce you to just a few. Chicory, the natural painkiller. Need a painkiller without reaching for pills? Chicory's your new best friend. You'll wonder why you ever bought pain relievers at the store. Yarrow, the backyard wound healer. Yarrow has been used for centuries to heal wounds. Think of it as nature's Band-Aid that doesn't peel off in the shower. California poppy, better than sleeping pills. Struggling with sleep? Instead of counting sheep, try California poppy. You'll sleep like a baby without the grogginess the next day. Marshmallow, the digestive savior. Nope, not the kind you roast over a campfire. This marshmallow plant supports digestion and soothes from the inside out. And the list goes on. You'll also get plants like chamomile for natural infection fighting, lavender for reducing inflammation, and feverfew, aka nature's aspirin. Seriously, why go to the pharmacy when your backyard has all this? Now, even if you've never planted anything before, don't worry. This kit is super easy to use. You'll get 10 packets with over 4,800 high-quality, non-GMO seeds and a free herbal medicinal guide that shows you exactly how to turn these plants into tinctures, salves, and more. And that's not all. When you order today, you'll also receive 2 awesome bonuses. First, Healing Yourself at Home, a guide to using everyday household items for remedies. And second, Wild Edible and Medicinal Herbs. Discover what's growing around your home that can help heal you. Hint, it's not just weeds. Plus, here's the best part. You get a 365-day money-back guarantee. Yes, a whole year to see the results. But I'm pretty sure once your backyard turns into a health oasis, you won't be asking for a refund. Here's a quick heads up. The Medicinal Garden Kit is only available through the official website, so don't get scammed by knockoffs. Click the link in the description to order yours today. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Remember, live well, live naturally. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Holistic Living for more wellness tips. And who knows, maybe next time we'll be planting unicorn seeds. Just kidding. See you in the next video.